How could I forget this birthday? The father of Linux. Or should I say, if the godfather of Linux, you need to show some respect. He's been called the father of modern day Linux. Anyway, Linus Torvalds, I forgot his birthday, December 28th. How could I show so much disrespect? Well, Linus was born in Finland and later immigrated to the United States. He went to college in Finland and got his master's degree in computer science. He was named after Linus Pauling, a Nobel Prize-winning chemist. I did not know that. Linus Torvalds is known for his creation and lead architect role for the first open source operating system kernel. Okay? Anyone who works with computers and even outsiders has probably heard of the open source operating system. Yeah, Linux is a Unix-based operating system that started development in 1991. Linus wanted to develop free software for developers, and even in the beginning, dozens of developers contributed to the Linux kernel. Originally, Linux was only adopted by hardcore computer users, where personal computers were mainly using Microsoft Windows. Yes, in the 2000s, the Linux operating system began to morph into a more user-friendly operating system. And now it is Windows' biggest competitor. It is? Okay, I mean, I know Chromebooks are popular, but yeah, what's the Linux percentage usage, like between 1 and 3%? I'm not exactly sure that's a competitor, but hey, I like using Linux, but don't know about it being a competitor. Anyway, happy birthday, Linus, and thank you for making something very, very special.